We are back at the Sonar Killa or Jaisalmer Fort in the afternoon, and now the fort is glowing in sunlight. Let me show you this. The Jaisalmer Fort is believed to be one of the very few living forts in the world, as many people of the old city still reside within this fort. There are 4 massive gateways through which the visitors to the fort must pass, situated along with the main approach to the citadel. The fort's massive yellow sandstone walls are a tawny lion color during the day, fading to honey gold as the sun sets, thereby camouflaging the fort in the yellow desert. For this reason, it is also known as the Sonar Killa or Golden Fort, in Bengali, Sonar Killa. Now we are inside the Jaisalmer Fort. We are going to the Raja Ka Mahal or the King's Palace. We are inside the King's Palace in the Jaisalmer Fort. This has a ticket of 100 for adults, ₹50 for children, and you have to pay 150 rupees for videography or photography. The desert can be seen at the far end with windmills rotating, and this is the beautiful city of Jaisalmer. The fort stands amidst the sandy expanse of the Great Thar Desert. It is today located along the southern edge of the city that bears its name. Its dominant hilltop location making the sprawling towers of its fortifications visible for many miles around. This fort has an ingenious drainage system which allows for the easy drainage of rainwater away from the fort in all 4 directions of the fort. Now we have completed the tour of the Raja's Palace and the Rani's Palace or Rani Ki Mahal. The Jaisalmer Fort has become even more special to all Bengalis, as this fort has been featured in one of the most iconic films of all times, Sonar Killa, by the legend of cinema Satyajit Ray. Now desperately in search of Mukul's house in the Sonar Killa. With the help of one local from here in Jaisalmer Fort, I have been able to spot the place where Mukul's house was used to stand. So it is dilapidated right now. Let me show you the house. So this one is Mukul's house. It is famous here as Mukul house only. People call it Mukul's house. And this is the road where that peacock ran away and Mukul ran after that. This is also one of the buildings where the Sonar Killa film was shot. This is the place where Mukul went up running and he stood there on that balcony.
After seeing the Sonar Killa shooting points, it's been an exemplary experience. Feels excellent now, walking through the lanes of Sonar Killa.
The walls inside the fort are a riot of colors because of all the colorful items being sold by the locals. We have reached the Jain temple inside the Jaisalmer Fort, and this one is the temple. For Indians, visiting the Jain temple is absolutely free. For foreigners, it is 200 rupees per head. For mobile camera, you need to pay 30 rupees, and for video cameras, 50 rupees. Inside the Jaisalmer Fort, there are 7 Jain temples built by yellow sandstone during 12th and 16th century. So we have come to one of the viewpoints in the fort, and from here I can see the desert on the far end. Endless desert. So now I have come to the Gadisar Lake, which is a 5 minutes walk from our hotel, and after having our lunch there, I've come here, so I could not take any risk of doing my lunch, having my lunch somewhere else because of this COVID virus and this pandemic situation. So now I am here in front of the Gadisar Lake.
This is a picturesque lake where boating can also be enjoyed.
My next stop after Gadisar Lake is Tazia Tower. It is 20 minutes walk from here and it is 1.5 kilometers away. So again I have forgot my mask inside my hotel, so I am using this piece of cloth to wrap around my face. So safety should not be compromised right now. If you forget your mask, that is quite natural. So use any cloth that you have to wrap around your face and nose and use it as a mask for the time being. I am currently walking to the Tazia Tower. I have come into a locality and I am following this. Whichever way Google Maps is saying, I am moving that way. But I am enjoying my walk because I am walking through narrow alleys and lanes here, and now I need help. Yes, so I am loving it because it is, the more I am walking, the more I am seeing old architectural buildings, old designs, everything. And here I can only see one color, that is yellow. Everywhere, every house is made of yellow stone and there is no other color that can be seen. So it feels great to be walking in these old narrow lanes of Jaisalmer.
A part of the Tazia Tower can be seen behind the wall here. Lost my way inside these narrow lanes as the maps on my phone stopped responding.
I completely lost my way while walking from the Tazia Tower to my hotel. So somehow I managed to get onto a main road, and after that what I saw is simply breathtaking. Let me show you what I saw.
Now I truly understand why the name Sonar Killa or the Golden Fort.
Again I have come to this fort, the Jaisalmer Fort, the Sonar Killa, the Golden Fort. I just cannot resist myself from coming to this fort again and again. It is because of the fact that this fort is different in different shades of light. In the morning it's different, in the afternoon it seems to be different, when sun goes down it seems to be different, and at night of course it is totally different.
If you like this video, then please click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more travel videos in the future. Also click the bell icon to get prompt notifications whenever a new video is uploaded. Please share this video with others who likes to travel and explore new places.